Imagine yourself in this 2013 Nissan Juke SL. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: sunroof, heated front seat, all-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo, pass-through rear seat, navigation system, traction control, keyless start, and engine immobilizer. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.